let's keep going. Question 12. While researching a topic, a student has taken the following notes. Now, this is a typical rhetorical synthesis question. Okay. Rhetorical synthesis questions come in points, but don't treat these as individual points. These are supposed to be read as a passage. Okay, so a passage or a text has been divided into 5 or 6 points. So we have to read it like that. So rhetorical synthesis is kind of like inference, because we have to take information given in these points to justify a statement, okay, from these 4 options. All right. So let's read it. While researching a topic, a student has taken the following notes. Maikai Tubbs is a native Hawaiian sculptor and installation artist. His work has been shown in the US, Canada, Japan, and Germany, among other places. Many of his sculptures feature discarded objects. Okay. His work, Erasure, includes discarded audio cassette tapes and magnets, and his work, Homegrown, includes discarded push pins, plastic plates, forks, and wood. Okay, so what did we, let's summarize the passage. So the first thing we know is this passage is about a sculptor. Number 2, we know that his work has been featured internationally. So he has international acclaim. Third thing we know is he uses discarded objects, okay, or he uses waste material. He uses waste material in his art. Okay, so these are the main things that we distilled from the passage. Okay, the student wants to emphasize a similarity between the 2 works. Which choice most effectively uses relevant information from the notes to accomplish this goal? Okay, so similarity between the works, which works are we talking about? Homegrown and Erasure. Okay, so in order to find the similarity, we have to focus on point 3. They were both made with waste material. Okay, so first one was made with audio cassette tapes, magnets. Second one was made with push pins, plastic plates, forks, and wood. Okay, let's look at the options. Erasure uses discarded objects such as audio cassette tapes, magnets. Homegrown, however. Okay, so the use of however here makes this choice incorrect because they are both using waste material. And however is a contradictory transition. When we use however in the beginning of a sentence, it means whatever is coming after however is contradictory to whatever came before it. Now, these are not contradictory information. These are similar because Erasure and Homegrown are both using the same type of material. Okay, so A is incorrect. All right, B says, like many of Tubbs' sculpture, both Erasure and Homegrown include discarded objects. Erasure uses audio cassette tapes and Homegrown uses plastic forks. This seems like the correct answer. Let's keep reading. Tubbs' work, which often featured discarded objects, has been shown both within the United States and abroad. This actually summarizes the passage very beautifully, but this doesn't answer our question. So the question was to emphasize a similarity between the 2 works. And here we are talking about not only his works, like his work in general, but we are also talking about his international acclaim. So we are not concerned with point 2. We are only concerned with point 3. So C is out. D says Tubbs completed Erasure in 2008 and Homegrown in 2009. No, we don't care. We want to know how they are similar. Okay. So B is the correct answer because both of them, Erasure and Homegrown, include discarded objects. there's a colon, which tells us that the next sentence explains how they use discarded objects. Eraser uses cassette tapes and homegrown uses plastic foil.